welcome back to the Mr. Excel podcast. I'm Bill Jelen. We've been talking about pivot tables lately, and we have a problem here today where I've created a pivot table and all of the numeric items are just in a general format. Now again, as I mentioned yesterday, you don't want to just go in and use format cells to change this, because then as you pivot the table, those numbers will be in different columns, rows, or whatever, and the format may not carry through. The great way to go in and change the format for the field, and it will be used no matter how you pivot the field, is to double-click the sum of revenue field. Once we double-click that, we get the pivot table field dialog box, which again I've said is not the most useful thing in the world, but on the right-hand side, the number button, click that, and we now get to assign any sort of a numeric format that we want. So for example, if we wanted currency with 0 decimal places, we could do that, click OK, and now our table's all set. If we pivot it in any way, for example, take the product field, all of those cells plus the new cells will get the new format. Now I want to pass along one of my favorite number formats here while we're talking about it, and that's how to display a number in thousands. If we click the number button, and then in the format cells dialog, go to the custom category, you'll see that there's a code there that defines the currency format. If we want to put a number in thousands, after the final 0, we want to use a comma. This tells Excel to divide by 1,000. So if you wanted to use millions, you'd put 2 commas. And if your abbreviation for thousands is the letter K, you can just put that right in the field. If your abbreviation is the letter M, then you have to put that in quotes. So either way, I usually use K, click OK, OK, and all of our numbers will be expressed in thousands. Hey, there you have it. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you tomorrow for another podcast from Mr. Excel.